Welcome to the AW Services channel. A very brief video on how to make your own stickers, decals, lettering, logos, single colour because you're tied to the colour of vinyl you use. But I'm using a silhouette portrait plotter and software that I bought about 10 years ago now. You can design, you can add, you can kind of copy and trace graphics, logos, etc. and then plot those out and cut them onto your desired vinyl of choice. But the software is very easy to use, and the plotter is very much like a printer with a very sharp blade that goes backwards and forwards. It's an A4 machine. You can also get this is a silhouette portrait. You can get the newer version. I believe they still make the Cameo, and there are lots of others available like the Cricut. But yeah, very easy. Load your vinyl onto your carrier, self-adhesive sheet, run the program, let it do its job, and then a few seconds later it will spit out your design, lettering or decal. But I thought I'd share that with you. I use a lot of these kind of things to making my own logos for my equipment, so I can customize and label my work things. But it's also good to make signs for like various events, etc. I thought I'd share that with you. If you like that kind of thing, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Check out my playlist for other videos. If you can watch my videos in full, that helps because YouTube counts the seconds and minutes for the algorithms. Hit the bell icon, give the video a share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.